Hello guys, hello ladies. Welcome everyone. Today I want to invite you to become part of our VIP community, because inside it you will find everything you see here on the channel and much more. In the community, you get access to exclusive content, professional tools, and most importantly, a live signals room that up to this moment is operating with a 100% accuracy rate. All right. And yes, throughout the entire year of 2025, we have been consistently hitting our daily targets. Day after day, week after week. This is not something occasional. This is consistency. So this is your opportunity to start getting real results by following high-quality, professional signals. And remember, these signals are sent every single day. And they are live signals, not delayed signals, not copied trades. Everything happens in real time, together with the market. In addition to that, you will have access to all the benefits of the community. You will be able to see the full trading history, all operations, all results. You will also see real withdrawals that are even recommended by the platform itself, because payments here are basically instant. Everything is transparent. You can check the win rate, the consistency, and the results. All of this information will be available in the video description. So don't waste time. Join now. And now, let's get back to the video. Guys, pay close attention, because now I'm going to show you a very accurate setup. Extremely simple to apply in binary options. You already know that our signals room and our VIP community are currently the best available. Yesterday, we hit our target. The day before yesterday, we hit our target again. And honestly, the consistency has been impressive. If you still don't have an account with the broker, I'll leave the link in the video description. Just create your account, and automatically you will unlock the rewards panel, exclusive bonuses, and several additional advantages. This makes a huge difference for anyone who trades seriously. And once again, payments here are instant, which is extremely important for traders. Now take a look at this setup. I'll explain it step by step. If this candle continues bearish, I will enter with multiple positions, because this is a high probability entry. We have all the entry triggers aligned, all confirmations pointing in the same direction. Right here, I'm taking a sell trade, and I'll explain why. Besides this resistance area, we also have other very strong confluences. In total, we have 4 different confirmations supporting this entry. This is where most traders make mistakes. They focus only on support and resistance, while we analyze much more than that. We combine price action, market structure, RSI behavior, and confirmation candles. That's why I entered this trade with confidence. And this is exactly what I'm teaching you in this video. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and that you leave a like, because this content really helps traders evolve. Let's watch the operation. We have a little over 15 seconds left. I believe this trade will close as a win. Price is trying to break through here. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, and it paid. There was a small retracement, but the trade closed perfectly. Clean win. I could even take another sell trade right here. And now let me show you the full context so you understand exactly why this trade was so well positioned. First, we have this very strong resistance zone. You can clearly see multiple touches in this area. This already confirms it as a strong selling region. We had 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and the 4th touch aligns perfectly with our sell entry. Now let's look at the RSI. You can see both overbought and oversold zones clearly. Price did not fully break this region earlier, and now it is testing it again. The RSI gave us confirmation with this candle right here. That's why I entered on the next candle. I combined RSI confirmation with resistance and price action. This creates a very strong confluence. Every time price reaches an RSI overbought or oversold zone, even if it slightly breaks it, there is a strong probability that it will return back inside the range. When that happens, you wait for confirmation and then enter on the next candle. Up here, we still have strong resistance. If price fails to break through, it gives us another selling opportunity. Price is struggling in this area, and that's why I'm comfortable entering again. Even if this trade results in a loss, that's not a problem. Risk management is already applied, and the overall context remains valid and controlled. We also have another resistance zone above with multiple touches. Price may try to reach it, and that's completely normal. What matters is understanding the logic behind the setup. Whenever you see RSI overbought or oversold zones, price tends to make strong reversals, but only when you wait for confirmation. Let me explain this clearly. Imagine the RSI is very high. Then price comes back inside the RSI range. When you get that return candle, that is your signal. You enter on the next candle because price usually starts moving strongly in that direction. It's a very simple concept, but extremely powerful when applied with discipline. The same logic applies to oversold zones. When RSI returns inside the range, you enter on the next candle. That's exactly what happened here. Price gained momentum and respected the structure. And this is why this setup works so well. Simple, disciplined, and highly accurate.